Round turn and 2 half hitches. So my working end is going to the right hand side. First thing I'm going to do is put a round turn around this post here, and to do that I pass the working end over the post like so, bring it round underneath and bring enough through to actually tie the knot, then bring it over and round again, and there you have it. You have now completed the round turn. The next thing I'm going to do is take the working end and pass it over the top of everything here, and then bring it back through underneath the standing end there, and then we now have our first half hitch. Pull it up nice and tight, and then we do exactly the same again right next to it. Put another half hitch in, so take the working end over, pass it through the loop you've just created there, and then pull it up nice and tight, and there we go. We now have a round turn and 2 half hitches. Obviously we would have our working end a little bit longer, but for this video I've just done it like that. So dressed up nice and smartly, fairly secure knot.